left our camp now by the wind farm. Now we're at Trubridge Lighthouse. As you can see, you've got nice cliffs here now. Lighthouse there, go take a closer look. These cliffs are looking amazing already.
With you, and there is nothing that can hold us back, hold us back. We can do what we want to do.
From now on in these videos, we've come along the south side of the Yorke Peninsula at the moment and heading around to the west side. So we're going to be exposed to a lot more wind, so unfortunately it's going to get a lot windier. It was nice being protected from the wind on the east side, but the scenery just wasn't as good, doesn't have those great beaches like the west side does.
We could run away across the ocean. Baby, what you say? We can leave today. Anywhere we'll go, we'll be alright. It's all about you. It's all about you. It's all about you. It's all about you.
We seen on Google Maps there was a pink lake. We just had to go check it out. We were very disappointed when we got there. It was completely white, but just to the left was an actual pink lake. It was so vibrant. It was amazing. This is the Kangaroo Island lookout. On the horizon, you can just pick out Kangaroo Island and look down here. Stunning little rock pools. Let's go down with the drone and have a look.
Baby, if you are feeling like I do, we could run away across the ocean. Baby, what you say? We can leave today. Anywhere we'll go, we'll be alright. It's all about you. It's all about you. It's all about you. It's all about you.
This is the end of the cliffs along the south coast. As you pan around, look at the colour of the water. Look what it opens up to. Spectacular beach, the first really nice looking beach. I can't wait to see the rest. We've just skipped straight through Marion Bay. The day's getting on, it's nearly 2 o'clock already. But we've been told this is one of the best spots in the Yorke Peninsula to visit. So we made sure we had time to come to Innes National Park. I can't wait to check this place out. Let's go have a look. We've just arrived at the Cape Spencer Lighthouse. This is one of the most scenic lighthouses in South Australia. Got a little bit of a walk. Looking forward to seeing it. Very windy day. Now, there's nothing spectacular about the lighthouse itself, but the 360-degree views you get here, best we've seen so far. Unfortunately, it's a national park here. I'd love to get some drone shots here for you guys, but it's a big no-no, as you know. Just walk down a little bit for a close look at those rocks. I cannot get over the beauty of this place. Oh, I'm puffed, really puffed. Time to go on now. There's another shipwreck to check out on the beach. We're at the Ethel shipwreck now. I'll just wait for the lookout to be free so we can get a quick look there and then walk down the stairs and actually check out the shipwreck. A lot bigger than I thought it would be. Different times of the year, it's more exposed, depending on the waves and the conditions. We'll go down and have a look. A lot of the ship is trapped under the sand at the moment, so you can't see it. All you see is a little tip of it just sticking up out of the sand. make out the outsides of the hole here. In other videos I've seen with people down here, that's been nearly completely exposed and you can see pretty much the entire ship. Check out the surf. This is some of the biggest waves I've ever seen. There's some beautiful looking rock pools here that you can go swimming in. But unfortunately, the road in is closed at the moment. They're maintaining the car park, upgrading the car park. So we can't even show you the rock pools, unfortunately. We'll have to keep going. And that's it for another video. I hope you really enjoyed those drone shots. We visited some absolutely spectacular places, one of our favourite days in the Yorke Peninsula. If you've got any more questions about any of the places we visited, don't hesitate to leave a comment. I'm always happy to answer. If you've liked the video, leave a like. If you haven't already, consider subscribing. I love making videos like this. Thanks for watching the video, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.